In this week's episode of Atlanta Driving Follies, we have more cutoffs than a redneck summer picnic.
Bullnose violation.
The classic 3-point U-turn. This driver is obviously clueless about what lane he needs to be in. Breaking down in my lane, how rude. No right turn is posted here because of limited visibility to the left. Hey, FedEx, is this one of your standard operating procedures?
Whoa, Nelly!
To get a license in the state of Georgia, you obviously don't need to demonstrate your ability to parallel park.
Now for a cutoff montage.
That U-turn can't be legal.
Bullnose violation.
Whoa, Nelly!
A traffic backup forced this officer to drive up the wrong side of the road. And finally, a safety message. School is back in session, so watch out for those school bus stops.